How to use Apple Music family sharing plan. So first of all, open your Apple Music and make sure you're logged into your account. Then from here, tap on your account icon on the top right corner right here. After doing that, you'll be able to see the option of set up family. Simply tap on that one. Then we'll get into our settings of our iPhone, from where you'll need to now create a family. So in order to do that, what you can do is send invitation via any sort of link, or you can invite them in person, or you can also create a chat account if you want to. So let's just send invitation via link or email. So tap on that one. Now what you're gonna do is you can either airdrop them, message them, email them, or share them through any of these media right here. So let's just copy link right now, and then you can go to any of the media that you want, tap in your message box and simply paste that link and send it to them. So after you sending them the link, they will be able to tap on it and open it. So they would need to accept your invitation for the family plan. If they do accept it, you'll be able to create your family plan on your Apple Music just like that, and that's it.